This is our second-generation automatic rod changer drilling rig, which features significant improvements over the first generation. Firstly, it offers higher rod changing efficiency. Secondly, its movements are more streamlined. Thirdly, it can accommodate more drill rods, helping to address the difficulty in hiring drilling personnel, reduce physical strain on workers, and enhance drilling efficiency. It makes drilling easier, increases drillers' enthusiasm for their work, helps contractors earn profits more effortlessly, and accelerates project progress. If you are interested in our product, feel free to contact us.